Breaking news. There is 100% chance of paper crafting happening today. It's not looking good for cleaning or cooking, I'm afraid. Guys, happy Wednesday. Today I'm going to share how to make these two lovely, super cute envelopes made with faux leather. Okay, so done a video last year, I guess, or a while ago. But in this video, I will show you how to make faux leather following that technique, and also how to decorate them and create these super cute little envelopes. Keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so let me show you the starting point. I have used some of these paper bags that you see on the background here to create this faux leather effect. Now I have done a video, a very detailed video, how to, can you see the two different colors, how to create different effects using basically paper bags, glycerin. But if you don't have glycerin, this is vegetable glycerin, this is from Amazon. I used to make my own cosmetics as well, but I've put a separate video on that because I don't want to bombard you with lots of information. So you can use vegetable glycerin, or you can use hair conditioning, a little pot of hair conditioning. So they both work. What you do, and I have used my very organized tin of different inks. So for this project I have used very different selections of colors and brands. So I've got some espresso, I use some gold, some yellow, some pink, some black, some salmon, some red, some of this fuchsia, more orange, some blue, some green. I've used all of them pretty much, because if I put the paper close to the camera you will see the orange, the blue, the green, all these different colors. Now before we do anything, pause this video and go back and have a look at how to make that video, because I don't want to do the same video twice, because otherwise it will be a bit waste of time for you guys. I will put the link down below, and just go and watch that video first, because what I recommend, do this if you want to do what we're doing today. You need to make this paper at least a day, if not two. Now I made this last night before we went to bed. This is still very wet, hence why it's a bit darker, because I put too much glycerin on this. On here I didn't put as much, so it's almost dry. But again, you can use a hairdryer, or you can use your heating tool if you wanted to. But you know, I mean, depends how much ink as well if you use, because I went quite heavy with the black and brown in here. But you want your paper to fully absorb the glycerin. Why do we use glycerin? Because this, and I show you all this in that video, it's the texture. So this paper, it don't feel like paper, it feel like fabric, because the glycerin gives the moist. So the fibers of the paper absorb the glycerin, and you guys it's like you touching very like original leather, because it's so soft. So yeah, so go and have a look at that. Pause this video, go and have a look at that, make this ahead. I'll show you in that video how to achieve different colors, and then we will come back together. You put this in there, so it's kind of drying. And on that video, the lovely Camille Ernst, if I pronounce the surname right, and I will put the comments on the screen. Camille left a comment on she said this is a great project for vegan people, because her daughter is vegan. So very great tip if you want to gift things to vegan people, but you still want to achieve that leather looking effect. This is right for you. So as you can see, unfortunately I made a mistake, because I'm very clumsy, as you guys know. So I tear the paper, but it doesn't matter, because what you can do, you can achieve like patchwork effect. So if you put, for instance, that next to that and glue it like that, so you create that little line. If you think about that really nice leather bags, sachets bags, they got all the patchwork effect, you can do something like that. Okay, so the starting point is 6x6 cardstock. So this is from the Works. It's just literally 12 by 12 paper. Of course, because we need 6x6, you will get four pieces, and then you want your envelope punch board. What's happening here? Why did you attach to my vellum? Okay, this is very interesting. The back of my envelope punch board attached to the vellum. Oh, anyway, yeah, this is my Imperial Indigo, one of my Imperial Indigo paper printed off on vellum. So that's why it's quite see-through. I don't know what you can see on camera, but on flesh is see-through. But anyway, ignore me. So, right, what we need to do, there. So 6x6, you position it in there. Put the, oh god, you need cleaning. Put the edge of the paper on 3, and you need to punch and score. Okay, so once you get the first punch and score, you keep going, you carry on, and you're doing for all 4 sides. So if you position on 3, this edge there, you see, will match the score line because it's a square. So if you have the same number, it will match all the time. Okay, 1, 2 more. Now you know I got a dodgy sound every time I do something on this desk, so I've got to do like that. Okay, done. So that can go in here. Okay, so you need to decide, of course, the outside of the this little I don't know why I was saying like touch bags. It's not touch bags, it's little favorite bags. I think I'm going to go for that. So I'm going to simply enforce the score line. This is amazing for Christmas if you do little favor bags as a gift or for your table. But I do when I send my happy mail, I tend to gift my crafty friends with some tea bags, so they're perfect size. So that inside you will see the floral, and outside you will see that. Okay, so what am I going to do, guys? I'm going to do one with simply gluing that on top, and another one I'm going to show you how to create little patchwork effect. Be right back. Okay guys, so all dry, well, dryish. They're almost dry, they're not 100% dry. So this is the envelope number 1 that I've done, simply putting the paper on top of it. Apologies about my black fingers. So that's one. So when you fold it, you will see the floral inside, which I think is really cute. And I love the contrast with something that is so dark, strong, with something quite pretty and floral. And as you know, I'm a big floral fan, so that's one. And then this one here, yeah, it's still a bit wet, and I forgot to trim this little bit there. Be naughty because I'm using my best scissors with glue. Naughty me. So it will dry soon. So this one here, see, is the one I've done with the patchwork, because you can see all these little squares. Can you see the difference between those two? What I simply did, guys, I cut them in pieces, so that's the extras. I fold them in a half, so you get this really strong line, and then I went all over with black ink and distressed it, so you get all these beautiful pieces that you can reuse in another project. Okay, and then what you simply do, guys, you just put it together so you get, you know, you get this nice effect. So to decorate it, I was thinking to make sure that's well, it's a square, so it should be all right. Yeah, I love that. You can see all the squares. Anyway, to do something a bit pretty, again, the contrast with something that is so rustic and dark, I thought we would put some paper doilies, and then my newest butterfly, Fussy Cat Butterflies kit. This kit is amazing. I love it. You guys love it too, because got quite a lot of orders with that and lots of great feedback. Just started to take this opportunity. I am working through a kit request, so if you want me to make something to sell, of course, a digital paper, let me know, because I've got quite a lot of suggestions from a lot of you, and I'm working through the list, and that was one of it. So you asked for some butterfly Fussy Cat kit that is more autumnal color. So you got the traditional one, which is including all the butterflies like pink, blue, traditional colors, and this one here is quite more, yeah, autumnal, like a darker color butterflies. Anything I will be putting linked down below. So as you guys know, when I use my Fussy Cat butterflies, I like them to be to have a 3D effect. Okay, so what I simply do, I fold the wings on the body, so when I glue them down, they look like they're flying. So I'm only going to glue the body of the butterflies. So let's get the heart down first. These are very old Stampin' Up paper doilies from I think it was a Valentine suit. Yeah, it's very, very, very old. So put that there, and then I should have washed my hands first, because yeah, I just blobbed that in there, but who cares? We like rustic looking things, and as you know, told you millions times, I'm not neat and clean. This is not the channel for neat and clean crafting. Definitely not. So yeah, so that's one. Of course it's not straight, and this is not a channel where I put things straight. So what do you think? I think it's super cute. So that's one. Do a second one really quickly without dropping things down, if it's possible, Antonio. I love the contrast of paper doilies. Are quite pretty and delicate, and yeah, and the faux leather on the background is quite strong, and love the contrast. This is the channel of the contrast. No, I'm kidding now. Right, done. Okay, 1 and 2. Plain patchwork, small big butterflies. Give you a couple of ideas. Okay guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this project, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Also, I just want to share on the screen now really quickly. I'm active, very active on Instagram, and I'm just going to show you on the screen how the hashtag in Instagram works, because I've got quite lots of requests about you guys not be able to see my post. The Instagram algorithm has changed, but I still love Pinterest. It's one of my favorite social media, but I recommend you guys to download Instagram. It's totally free. Of course, join me, because you can see all the posting there. You can save them as well, but it's quite interactive, because if you type, I don't know, butterflies or hashtag envelope, you see all different projects. So it's a very big source of inspiration. Pinterest is not done in history order, so if you put anything on Pinterest, it can randomly appear, even if it's a post that's like 5 years, 10 years ago. Instagram, you can select the hashtag, put on recent, and you've got something that's been done recently. So if you want something that is on trend at the minute, or if it's something that has been done recently, that's the best way. But I'll show you everything on the screen now. Okay guys, so this is what Instagram looks like on your computer. Of course, on your telephone or on your iPad it looks slightly different. Okay, so this is that's my lovely Jamie, jbricks12, if you want to go and follow him. So this is all the people I follow. Instagram will also give you, based on the people you follow, suggested people for you. But what I want you to show you, so for instance, if you click on me, so that's my post that you can save. So for instance, if you click, I don't know, this one here, if you click on this little flag there, that will be saved into your playlist. Okay, so you can go back and have a look. On here is all my stories that I again split into categories. Okay, so when somebody, like this is from lovely Claire with the links, so you can click on the links. It's very, very interactive. I love Instagram. I really advise you guys to download it, because it's like a Pinterest, but a better version of Pinterest. So if you click on explore, so let's pretend we do junk journal, maybe let's put junk journal tags. Okay, so click on the hashtag, and then soon you see all the posts. So we got 10,843 posts with the hashtag junk journal tags. So you go and have a look, and this is done by order. Okay, I love these. This is from Little Grove Studio, and then if you click, you see them all. Okay, so I hope it's very useful. It would need a bit of time for you guys to navigate and to learn it, but I very recommend it. Again, as I said, probably 5 million times, I do prefer Instagram over Pinterest for inspirations. Okay, don't forget to click follow me as well. Thanks. Okay guys, hope it helps. I hope it was clear. Is I don't, Paula and Mary's asked about this, so I'm hoping I have kind of like showed you clearly. I tried. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, big thumbs up. It really helps to support the video and the channel. I will see you on Friday for this week Friday freebie that I'm sure you will love, and until then, stay safe and well.